Hello everyone, I am Fiona. Today in this video, we invited engineer Chen to explain to us how to add various lubricants to the EPS hot melt machine. Lubricating oil. As shown in the video, the red bolt is used to add lubricating oil. It should be done every 3 months. Gear oil. As shown in the video, this is the exhaust hole of the motor. Its purpose is to replace the gear oil inside the generator, changing it from waste oil to new oil. This should be done once a year. Please note that the exhaust hole is not the same as the oil drain. The oil drain is located below the motor, as shown in the video. Grease. As shown in the video, after loosening the screws at the upper end of the 4 pulverizing spindles, grease should be added. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.